Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use the Acorn Turret. First, you'll need to craft it using 2 acorn shells, 1 acorn top, 3 silk rope, 1 flower petal, and 2 weed stems. The recipe is unlocked after completing the Haze laboratory and turning in the burgle chip. Remember to place your turret on an angled surface, like a clover roof, to maximize its aiming capabilities, especially for ground-level threats. The Acorn Turret uses various ammunition types, each with unique effects. Rocky rounds are your standard damage option, while groundy rounds are excellent for stunning flying foes. For rapid fire, choose pointy rounds. Sappy rounds will slow down advancing enemies, giving you a tactical advantage. If you prefer explosive power, splody rounds are available, and burny rounds inflict fire damage over time. Keep a variety on hand for different situations. Strategic placement is key for the Acorn Turret's effectiveness. Elevate your turrets on angled roofs or walls to gain a superior firing angle, allowing you to hit creatures directly below. During base defense events like MIX, R or ORC waves, turrets deal 4 times their normal damage, making them invaluable. Always ensure a chest with plenty of ammunition is within 2 squares of your turret for seamless reloading. To operate the Acorn Turret, simply press the Use input to enter and take control. You can then aim and fire, switching between your loaded ammunition types as needed. Turrets can take damage, so remember to repair them with your Omni tool to maintain your defenses. If you encounter issues repairing, try adjusting your keybinds or moving the turret slightly. While not automated, a manned turret provides significant defensive power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.